everybody, it's Christi Reece here with the Christi Reece Group in beautiful downtown Grand Junction, Colorado. It's time for Fired Up Friday. Are we fired up? Woohoo! We are fired up here at the Christi Reece Group. We're always ready for a long weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend and there's a lot going on. Hope you have some great plans with your family and friends. And now that we're able to really get together and do things, we're looking forward to hanging out with people again. It's awesome. So I want to talk about a few things that are going on. On Saturday, there is the Antique Truck Show at Cross Orchard's historic site from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you have not been to Cross Orchards, what a great location that is, and they have all kinds of events there all the time. So go check out the Antique Truck Show. Admission is $7 for adults, $4 for kids, $5 for seniors and veterans, or $20 for a family. And there's a 50% discount for museum members. And they're part of the Museum of the West group. So if you belong to the Downtown Museum, you also belong to Cross Orchards, I believe. So there's also a really cool event in Colburn on Monday. It's a fundraiser for the Plateau Valley Cancer Fund, their annual Memorial Day celebration, which includes pancake breakfast, honoring of veterans, and a live butterfly release. So we'll put a link here so that you can click on that and learn more information about that. And coming up in the next week or so, there are more fun events of note, all produced by the Museums of Western Colorado. On June 1st from 9 to 10:30, there's Dinosaur Hill Trek with the paleontologist Dr. Julia McHugh, celebrating Dinosaur Days at Dinosaur Journey, and that's $15 for members and $20 for non-members. And on June 2nd from 5 to 8:30, there's a downtown Grand Junction pub crawl. Hello, we have enough bars and pubs to do a pub crawl. It's a historic walking tour and pub crawl with historian David Bailey. Now that sounds like a lot of fun. $35 for members and $40 for non-members. So if you have any events that you'd like us to highlight here on our Fired Up Fridays, please send us a message. You can send it to info@christireece.com or simply comment here on our Facebook or Instagram, and we'll be happy to talk about your event. Check out the links in our post for more information, and have a great holiday weekend with your family and friends. What are we going to be doing, guys? You going to barbecue? Barbecue. Got to be outside. Beautiful time in Grand Junction. So happy Memorial Day to everybody, and we will catch you next week on Fired Up Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye.